We all know that Steve Jobs built Apple, Elon Musk built Tesla, and Mark Zuckerberg built Facebook. But some of the world's richest people made their fortunes in areas that nobody gets excited about. Businesses most people would call boring. I'm Logan Burchett. After years of helping founders through Forecastr, the company I co-founded, we've raised over $15 million, I started to notice something. The most successful people that I know didn't build their wealth with an activewear brand or a massive science project. They made their money in lanes that don't get the spotlight. Things like basic B2B services, gutter cleaning companies, import-export, logistics, even timber. This is what I call boring businesses. They rarely make headlines, yet they keep the world running. Storage facilities, debt collection, even portable toilets. They're everywhere. They're profitable, but they're not the kind of thing that you brag about at a party. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 boring businesses that you can start with very little investment, and some of them can bring close to $850 per day on average without needing any advanced skills. Number 3 might surprise you the most, and number 4 is so simple that even a teenager could run it. All you have to do is pick one and check your ego at the door. Let's start with something hiding in plain sight. Every house has it, nobody wants to deal with it, and that's where you step in. Roof and gutter cleaning. Think about it. 130 million homes in the US all have gutters and they all clog. Left alone, that turns into leaks, mold, and flooded basements. Most homeowners do not want to climb on ladders and risk a hospital bill, so they'll gladly pay a couple of $100s to have somebody else handle it. Spencer Clays is a good example here. He started out pressure washing driveways, then he realized that roofs were a bigger opportunity. Now he's booking 2 to 4 jobs per day, averaging $300 to $500 each. The startup costs are super light. It's a 24-foot ladder that'll run you about $200, gloves and a gutter scoop under $50, and a good blower, which is like $150 to $300. Borrow a harness if you can and practice on a friend's house. Take clear before and after photos. Then you can create a free Google business profile, upload those photos, and start knocking on doors and leaving neighborhoods. A simple $199 special will get you your first 10 customers. The key is to keep your route tight. Do 3 homes in the same neighborhood and you've got yourself a strong day's pay. And once you're on site, you can upsell a driveway wash or a spring and fall maintenance plan. Now, safety is your first priority here, so skip wet or steep roofs, don't underprice 3-story homes, and make sure you've got liability insurance. If you want to get moving on this, here's what to do this week. Pick one street, knock on 3 doors, and land 1 job, and that's it. Now, that's a solid hands-on way to earn money quickly. But what if you want something more passive, where you set it up once and it keeps paying you? That's where ATMs come in. The model's simple. Land a strong location, keep the machine funded, and scale slowly. A solid unit does about 200 transactions a month. At a $3 fee, that's $600 in gross before costs. Multiply that across 5 machines and you're making a couple $1,000s a month in passive income. Now, Eric, the founder of ATM One, started back in 1995 with a single bar placement. Today, he operates more than 1,200 machines. Now, here's how you get started today. Go visit 3 cash-heavy businesses, nail salons, bars, barbershops, that type of thing. Ask the owner, do you ever lose customers because you don't take cards? Then pitch them on ATMs with 0 upfront costs. Tell them you'll split the surcharge with them 50-50. From there, call a processing company. Search ATM iOS near me. They will handle your banking and compliance. Buy or finance a Gen Mega or Hyosung machine for around $2,500. Stock it with $2,000 in cash, plug it in, and you're live. Also, don't forget to get on top of the legal side, so permits, licenses, etc. The pitfalls are straightforward. Bad locations, unreliable internet, or empty machines are going to kill your profits. But one good location is all it takes to start. So here's your action step. Scout 3 high traffic businesses in your city this week and pitch the owner. Now let's shift gears to the business everyone jokes about until they see the money. Portable toilets are the classic boring business. The demand is constant and the market is expected to hit $30 billion by 2030. Gary Mead, the founder of Euroloo in the UK, built a quiet giant by focusing on clean units, reliable service, and efficient routes. With about 4,000 units, the company cleared $871,000 after tax in 2022. Getting started isn't as scary as it sounds. First, secure your permits and lock in a local dump facility. Then rent a vacuum trailer for about $3,000 a month and buy a dozen or so toilets. Figure 6 to 20K total. Price them each at $175 to $225 per 4 weeks with weekly service, and use route software like Service Core to make deliverables very efficient. efficient. If you can place 40 toilets at that rate, you're clearing about $1,000 of profit a month, even with a rented trailer. At 60 units, that's closer to $4,000 to $6,000. The pitfall here is so simple. You miss a service window and you'll lose the account. Don't let your roots sprawl too far, or fuel is going to eat your margins. If you want to take the first step, pull up Google Maps, search for 3 local construction companies, call to ask who handles portable toilets. This one's logistics heavy. Let's swing back to something simple, visual, and easy to market: power washing. So look around your street. Driveways with oil stains, siding with green algae, roofs with black streaks. That's all opportunity. Most homeowners don't have the equipment, and even if they do, they don't want to risk damaging their siding, which is why they'll gladly pay $200 for you to handle it. Take Chase in Florida. Now, he launched with a $1,400 setup, booked through Google Business Profile and Nextdoor, and in some time he was clearing $20,000 a month. Here's how you could follow that path. Buy a 4 CPM gas washer for about $1,500 and a 20-inch surface cleaner for about $300. Add chemicals, hoses, and safety gear for another $400. Then set up a free Google Business Profile, post your first before and after photos, and knock on 2 blocks offering a driveway special for $1,900. Keep jobs together. 2 driveways and 1 house in a day brings in about $700 to $850 in revenue, with around $600 in take home. And once you have a few reviews online, raising your prices gets way easier. The only traps to avoid is don't blast oxidizing siding, don't spray under vinyl laps, and always tarp plants whenever you're using bleach. This weekend, wash your own driveway. Take clear photos, post them online, and then offer the same service to your neighbors. That's your launch. Now let's finish with something even lighter. This is a business that you can start with less than $500, and honestly, even a teenager could run it. Cars are magnets for crumbs, coffee, and dog hair. The drive-through wash gets the outside, but the inside stays a mess. That's why mobile detailing works so well. The average ticket runs about $175 with maybe $20 in supplies. 4 cars a week is $600 in take-home profit. Hudson Archer is a great example. At 17, he bought a $475 starter kit, a pressure washer, a small bag, brushes, chemicals, and he started practicing on friends' cars. He posted before and after photos online, offered 3 clear packages, and within a year, he had a steady weekend route. You don't need much to get going. A basic kit's about $500. Practice on 3 cars and take your own before and afters, post them on Instagram or TikTok, pin your price list, offer up 3 package with 1 upsell, and make sure you ask for a Google review on every drop. Keep your routes tight. 2 or 3 cars in the same neighborhood is where you're gonna feel the margins. The pitfalls: don't underprice trucks or SUVs, and be mindful of local water runoff rules. This week, detail a friend's car for free, post the results, and tag your city. That's your first ad. Now, if you want stability and cash flow, these are the businesses to study. They might not make headlines and they're not flashy, but that's the point. They can absolutely change your life. They're stable, needed everywhere, and wide open for anybody who's ready to put in the work. If you got value from this breakdown, click on this video to find 9 ways to grow revenue. Subscribe to this channel because I'll be sharing more real practical business ideas like this every single week. And let me know in the comments which one of these you want to try.